Do you ever find it frustrating that you hire, train, and try to inspire people when you don't even really know how they think and what makes them tick? For me, it's like trying to race a sled in the dark without knowing whether I'm being pulled by dogs, wolves, or reindeer. Hi, this is Bruce Hurley, and I want to thank you for requesting our free blue paper, which is already on its way to your email. But before you check that out, I wanted to make sure that you didn't miss out on experiencing a fascinating online assessment for a price you will never see again. Hey, I know you're busy, so this assessment takes less than 15 minutes, but it's going to give you a wealth of information about what type of thinker you are and how you use your intelligence to engage with other people and get things done. You can then translate these insights in order to inspire your team and improve your bottom line. And this is the only place you can get this assessment. You're also going to receive an 11-page report personalized with your scores in each of the 8 cognitive styles, so you can see very clearly your areas of strength and weakness. You'll discover that the perspectives you gain from this report are going to inspire fresh innovation and achievement while helping you make a greater contribution and connection with the people you serve. Our cognitive styles assessment will put powerful insights in your hands that you can use to develop your team and guide your hiring decisions. Just wait until you see what you'll learn. Deborah Jo Bright of Bright Ideas Unlimited wrote us to say, "This totally changed our team training," and she called it the best investment ever. And Dr. Josh Wilson said, "I wouldn't consider hiring anyone without this information. I wish I had it from the very beginning. It would have saved me a fortune." You're going to love the practical applications you'll discover. And at this price, it's a no-brainer. It's a one-time investment, so you don't have to worry about canceling anything. We just want to make it as easy as possible for you to experience this powerful tool for yourself. Then you can decide if you want to have these insights for the rest of your team and your new hires as well. It's that simple. We've even got a money-back guarantee, so we're taking all the risk. So go ahead and click the big orange button below to get started. I'm super excited for you to get the report and discover your own 8 cognitive style scores. This is going to be great. I'll see you on the other side.